In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Airtable. To get started, head over to Airtable and open the platform in your browser. Once you're on the home page or inside your workspace, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the base where you want to create your new view. A base in Airtable is essentially the container that holds your tables, records, and different ways of organizing your data, so make sure you open the correct one before moving on. After you click into the base you want to work in, look toward the area where your existing views are listed. This is where Airtable lets you switch between different ways of displaying the same data. Views are helpful because they allow you to organize information for different purposes without changing the underlying records. For example, one view might be set up for a grid layout, while another could be better for visual browsing. Next, click on Create New. This opens the menu where Airtable gives you several view options to choose from. At this point, you'll be asked what type of view you want to make. For this example, click on Gallery. The gallery view is especially useful when you want your records to appear as cards, which can make visual content easier to scan. If gallery isn't the format you need, you can also choose any of the other view types in the list depending on how you want your information presented. Once you've selected the view type, click Create New View. This confirms your selection and creates the new view inside your base. After that, Airtable will open the view so you can begin customizing it to fit your workflow. A quick tip here: creating a new view does not duplicate your data. It simply gives you another way to display and manage the same records already in your table. That's what makes views so powerful in Airtable. They help different team members or different tasks focus on exactly the information they need, all within the same base. And that's it. You've successfully created a view in Airtable. From here, you can continue adjusting the layout and settings based on how you want to use it. If you followed along, you should now have a brand new view ready to help you organize your work more effectively.